Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fantasy. If you are new here, I do videos on makeup, hair, fashion, lifestyle, everything, okay? A little piece of my life I share with you guys depending on whatever that is at the moment. I hope that by the end of this video you decide to join the Fantasy family. We are on the road to 4K subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you for all of my new subbies. I have not forgotten about you, okay? I'm so appreciative of you hitting that subscribe button and joining the Fantasy family. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I'm glad that you're enjoying the content that I'm serving, okay? Period, okay? So today is going to be a maintenance vlog. This video is going to be a maintenance vlog. So I am going to be doing my hair, my nails, my toes, hopefully my lashes. You know, I'm trying to get everything done. Okay, we gotta do what we gotta do. I haven't done a maintenance vlog before. I haven't done a maintenance vlog before. I've done like things where I have had a little bit of maintenance in it, but not a dedicated video. So if you guys like these type of videos, thumbs it up and let me know down below so that way I can, you know, roll out a couple of more for you, okay? Let's just get into that.
Dying on the beat.
Love me like a brother, treat you like a friend, respect you like a lover. Oh, 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 oh.
Go quit that, never gotta sweat that. Go quit that, never gotta sweat that. Go quit that, never gotta sweat that. You could quit that, never gotta sweat
If you be
that.
the cash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the match, I will be the fuse. Boom, painter baby, be the mute. I'm the reporter baby, be the news. Cause you're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, and you're the joker. Check down, you are the joke. And I could be the blackboard, you can be the top. And I can be the ball. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I. So put your pretty little hand in. Even when we're down to the wire, babe. Even when you are down, we can do it, baby. Simple and plain. Still love is a show.
Go quit that, never gotta sweat that. Go quit that, never gotta sweat that. Go quit that, never gotta sweat that. Go quit that, never gotta sweat that.
I see the fire, baby. It's from the blood too. Be the lighter, baby. Fire it up, brighter, baby. Be the cool from the lyric, baby. Be the note. Pour that sing on the center. Cries, I'm a winner, and it's you. But can't do to serve that paper, baby. I be the pen. Say I am the one, cause you are a 10. Willing up to 10. Even when it's dark, even when the sun don't shine. Got faith in you and I. So put your pretty little hands in. Even when I'm down to the wire, even when the do or die. We can do it, baby, simple and plain. Still love of you. Rock with me, babe. Let me hit you in my arms, talk with me, babe. Yeah. Rock with me, babe. Let me hit you in my arms, talk with me, babe. Yes, sir. You and I, simple as pie, baby. Such a sure thing, such a sure thing. Always such a sure thing. The sky goes far, even when the sun don't shine. Got faith in you and I. So put your pretty little lady in mind. Even when I'm down to the wire, baby. Even when it do or die. We can do it, baby, simple and plain. Still love is a sure thing.
All right, you guys, so my hair is done. I just did a sew-in. It has been years since I have done a sew-in, and wow, I'm happy because it really, I was contemplating between doing a sew-in and doing like microlinks or tape-ins or something, because as I told you guys that I do those services and I do provide those services. So I was thinking to do it on my own because I'm like, oh, well, I don't, you know, I want to do it and I wanted to try it, but I'm like, I also know I don't want to damage my hair or damage my curl pattern. So I was like, how can I achieve that same look without it being damaging to my hair? So what I did was just do a sew-in. This is only a bundle and maybe like a half. That's all I have in here. And I do have some tape in. You can probably see right here. I need to like blend that a little bit better. It started to slip a little when I was flat ironing it. But as you guys can see, you can't see it anymore. You just gotta like, you know how to hide it. But I have tape in right here just so that the front of my hair all blends in with everything else. Because I did experience some breakage because of all of the hair shoots that I do and the heat that I put on it. So it has caused me to have some type of breakage, and I'm just like, I want it to flow better. But I do have hair around. Hair, like my hair left out around. So I'll be able to put it up in a ponytail. So it is going to be like a versatile ponytail. I did it so that I can do, these type of vibes. Because I'm very much I mean, you guys should know. I don't know if you guys know, but whenever I do like any type of ponytail, I like to leave the front out, like right here. So that's another reason why I wanted to put that tape in there as well. My nose is so runny. I was just sneezing up a storm. So that way I could do things like this, put it up in a pony. Super cute. I love, you feel me? I like doubled and tripled the wefts back here when I really should have did it in the middle of my head. Like I said, I have not done a sewing in so long on my own, and I haven't done it in the way that I did it this way, and I really should have did it up here instead of here, but I'm fine. I also wanted it to not be like, I didn't want it to be super packed right here to where it didn't look natural. So you guys can see like it is very, very flat, and I just feel like I didn't mind the base right here being a little full, because if I curl my hair and stuff, it's gonna work. So as far as lashes, unfortunately I can't even do my lashes. Can't do my lashes, so that sucks. But because my lash tech isn't even in the city, she's actually in Disney, so with her baby, I'm just not gonna do my lashes, and that's fine with me. I'm just gonna do a really, really beat face, like purr, like that's just what I'm doing. As far as my nails, I am doing press-ons. Let me show you guys the style. Where is it? Because it was here. This is the design. I tried this one on, that's why it's like flip it. This is the design. And we're gonna get ready, and we're gonna really like, do a glow up type of vibe. You feel me? Like I really wish that I was able to do my lashes, but I can't. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, let's get to the nails.
Heaven sent you to me. I'm just hoping I don't beat history. Boy, I'm trying to meet mama on Sunday. The nigga I love on Monday. Never need no one else, babe. 'Cause I'll be switching up positions for you. Getting in the kitchen and I'm in a better room. I need a thing that say I'm coming through. Oh my love, you did nothing I wouldn't do. Gotta work, switching up positions for you. Getting in the kitchen and I'm in a better room. I need a thing that say I'm coming through. Oh my love, you did nothing I wouldn't do. Gotta work, switching for you. Some shit that I usually don't do, but for you I gotta want to. 'Cause you count for me and I'm down to. Yeah, I'm down to. Switching up positions for you. Some shit that I usually don't do, but for you I gotta want to.
So these are the finished product. This is how she looks. Okay, can y'all see? Is it in focus? I'm having a hard time focusing on something else other than my face. Okay, my knuckles look so damn dark, but they're cute. I like them. The thing about press-ons, like I don't 100% love them, but I like them a lot for these to be press-ons. The thing that I don't like about press-ons is that the shaping always is a little off compared to like when you're doing when you have regular nails in, you know? So the shaping is just always off. The shaping is just more rounded. And I did try to file, which I think I did a better job on this hand than I did on this hand, because this hand, some of them I didn't really file it too much. I try to file it to kind of shape it to match my natural nail and the way my nail curves in certain areas. And I got some of them right, some of them not so much. But this hand definitely looks better than this hand. And also, it was my first time doing tape-ins since, I don't know, 2015, 14, when I had like French press-ons. And I didn't use as much glue on this side. So it is a little patchy at the base compared to this side, which is way more flush. Like, even if you look at, I think this nail is the flushest of it all. And my thumb, I don't know if you can see which one is the, okay, this one is a little patchy. If you can see, like, it's like little gaps right here where the glue isn't fully there. So I do feel like this hand is gonna pop off. Come on now, you on my face. Get on, come on. All right, so I do feel like this hand is gonna pop off quicker than the other, but we got our nails done. Okay, period. Okay, it was only $36. If I go to the nail salon and go to my usual lady, I love her. I love Lena 100%, but I do need to take a break from tips. My nails have been doing horrible. So the whole month of Ramadan, I took my tips off and had, you know, we're not supposed to wear tips anyways, because when we take our prayer wash, the water can't reach your natural nail. So we're not really supposed to wear tips. So I was just like, you know what? Let me take a break from... So I took off my nails for Ramadan, and during this month, oh my God, my nails were breaking so bad that they were breaking and actually creating, like, it's almost as if I had a tip on and then it cracked. Like, it was breaking in the most craziest places. So I'm like, I really need to take a break from nails, and that's the reason why I have been indulging myself in press-ons, because I still like the look of nails, but I just don't want to go through that whole process of filing, because it's really, really breaking down my nails really, really bad. And I just want to bring my nails back to health, because we know that nails aren't alive. They're not alive. But I feel like myself, look at me talking with my hands again. I mean, I always talk with my hands, if you guys don't notice. It feels a little odd having nails on since I haven't had it on for so long, but this style is very befitting of me. Like I said, you guys can also do, I got these from Etsy, and she does custom nails too. I have another one of this set. I think I showed you guys before. I have another one that I ordered with this set, and I have 4 more that I ordered from her. And then I have a whole bunch of press-ons that I got from like Walmart, Home Goods, wherever I saw press-ons. I was just buying press-ons to get racked up on it, because I don't think I'm going to get my nails done again until October, and it's currently May. So I'm going to take some time from that. But, y'all, it is a little late. It's a little late, okay? So we're going to continue our maintenance tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're going to do a little bit of teeth whitening, some get ready with me, a little fresh up on our curls. We're gonna have a very eventful day, okay, period. Oh, and we're gonna get our toes done. Let's not forget that. Okay, I'll see you guys.
Frustration, watching you dance, hesitation to get in your pants. Come closer, baby, so I can touch. One question: am I moving
All right, y'all. I'm running so late. I have to go like now. The damn bottle got up my stuff. All the way over here. I need to go. But yeah, that is how I look. I look cute. You feel me? So this is the ending of my maintenance vlog. I don't know. It was some shitty ass maintenance vlog, but I had to make it work. You feel me? Like I had to make it work. I look so freaking cute. I'm gonna make this into a thumbnail. This is a vibe right here. I need to take my nails with me, my file, glue, and what else? Nail file. While I'm in traffic, I'll do my damn nails. Thank God I sized it before. So all I gotta do is just glue the thing on. But y'all, I'm out of here. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll chat to y'all later.
And like guns with the AK.